Alright, so today we're working on these swivel brackets here. Super rusted out. Seems unsafe to take this anywhere. This wood is actually super rotten, needs to be replaced, but there's no way for me to do that right now without getting the boat off of the trailer. So we're just going to replace these today, and then we'll come back later and replace the wood. I've jimmied some boards here to kind of hold this up as I do it. This is going to be quite hard to get these rusted bolts out. All right, so here's where we are. Looks like we're going to have to just angle grind off every single bolt. Not sure why I picked that location. I should have just gone right here in the middle. I could have taken it out both ways. I mean, this is just absurd. I'm not going to be able to get a single bolt out with just a ratchet or any kind of power tool. But watch this now. Once I ground out that one bolt, I can pretty much just knock this whole thing off. I mean, you shouldn't be able to do that. I wish this would just come out. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do up here. I can probably wiggle this off, but then that bracket here is right in my way. We'll see. All right, well, I've got one down and 5 to go. What I've done is I've just reconfigured this so that I could just leave the old bracket there. I've had to put 2 washers in between here. Actually 4 washers on here because these bolts were coming through the wood on the top. Now I can't feel them. And here we go. I feel pretty good about that. And we're gonna keep chugging away at the other ones. All right, this is the wreckage. Those are the 4 that I got off. The kit only came with 4, so this one here came out with this just slid right out of the wood. Those bolts, the rest of them kind of sheared off right at the weak point. So let me show you what they look like. Got one here in the middle. This one still needs to go at the front, but the front is takes the least amount of weight there. Back here, and this one up front here. So I've spread them out. I think I could go with 4, but I'm gonna buy 2 more and replace them.